Hey everyone! Get ready to explore the amazing features of the IFTA Tax Calculator app. With its intuitive interface, fast data uploads, and error analyzer, calculating IFTA taxes has never been easier or quicker. Accurate IFTA reports, unlimited number of truck calculation, and convenient file editing make it effortless to comply with regulations. Let's dive in and explore all the amazing functionalities of the IFTA Tax Calculator together. To use our service, you'll need mileage data for your vehicles or fleet, segmented by states in XLSX or CXV format. GPS data also works for this purpose, along with your fuel purchase records. Our service supports various report types, but if there are any issues with importing your data, please contact us and we'll promptly resolve it. You can also download a template by clicking the corresponding icon and fill it out manually. To upload files, simply drag and drop them into the designated fields or click the Select File button to choose them from your computer's workspace. Once the necessary files are uploaded, the Calculate button in the middle of the screen will become active. Upon clicking Calculate, our IFTA Tax Calculator will perform the calculations and display the required data for review on the screen. At the top of the screen, you'll find a field indicating the quarter for calculation. You can recalculate it by selecting a new quarter, Update and Generate Report buttons. The number of trucks recognized by our service, the average fuel consumption based on the uploaded data, the total miles traveled, the total gallons of fuel purchased, and, of course, the amount owed for IFTA tax. Below, you'll see a table with information on each truck. When you click on a truck, a window will open with more detailed information on the right side of the screen. Here you can delete, add, or modify the already entered data on miles traveled and refueling by activating the editing mode through the Edit Mode toggle switch. To change a specific number, simply place the cursor in the necessary field and replace it with the correct number. The algorithm will immediately recalculate the data and provide you with updated information. You can view information about another truck and make changes directly from this window, without the need to close it. Just click on the arrow and select the desired truck. You can view information on another truck right here, without leaving this window by clicking the arrow and selecting the desired truck. In addition to calculations, our system also alerts you to potential errors if less than 50 miles were traveled in a state, less than 30 gallons were refueled in a state, the average miles per gallon is less than 5 or more than 7. Once we've ensured that all calculations are correct, we can generate a report by clicking the Generate Report button in the top right corner. For accurate generation, the system will prompt you to enter the company name and confirm the following information: the number of trucks for which calculation is required. If needed, you can select trucks for calculation by removing the default value, the quarter for which the fuel tax calculation will be made, calculation method, company or individual. The difference is that in the company method, the tax is calculated based on the average fuel consumption of all uploaded trucks. This calculation uses IFTA and is the default. In the individual method, the fuel tax is calculated based on the fuel consumption of each vehicle separately. After entering and confirming the necessary information and clicking the Generate Report button, a new tab will open with the generated report. If necessary, you can use this link in the future to send your clients information about the IFTA tax calculation. The generated link contains the same data, but is broken down by states instead of trucks, as on the previous page. In the top right corner, there are two buttons for copying the link and downloading the report. When downloading the report to your computer, a zip folder is downloaded containing summary figures for all selected trucks and report for each truck separately in XLSX format. If you open the Totals file, you'll see that it consists of two tabs. On the first tab, Total, you'll see totals by states. And on the second tab, PPT, you'll see totals by trucks. If you open the file for a specific truck, you'll only see data related to that particular truck, broken down by state. Let's return to our service. If you need to change the information you provided during registration, simply click on the corresponding icon in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this button, the Account Settings window will open, where you will see the previously entered data. By clicking on the Edit Personal Data button, you can easily change and save them. Additionally, for your convenience, we have added a very useful tab with reports that you have previously generated, so you can easily find the necessary information. All your previously generated reports will be available in the History Report section. Just click on the desired report and you will be able to open it. So don't worry about losing important documents. We've taken care of that for you. As you can see, our service provides the best solution for calculating fuel tax, where you can easily tidy up the tax for an entire company in just a few clicks, and with minimal time spent. Don't miss your chance to try our service right now, and you'll forget about errors and exhausting hours spent on calculations. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.